Good morning to all, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I, Emmanuel, would like to speak a few words about Independence Day. At first, I would like to wish you all Happy Independence Day. We all celebrate the Independence Day of our country. This day we remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. They sacrificed their life from the freedom of our country. We should work hard to build our country. On this day, India is celebrating 74th Independence Day. This year in 2020, our country and other country are fighting with coronavirus disease. Protect yourself, other from the spread COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. So let us be one. United we stand, divided we fall. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.